excited about returning to Pontypridd this year?
Yes, obviously.
We can't wait. Like, that was an amazing gig for us last year. Little Mix were there with us last year, and
They were.
you know, it's going to be amazing just to know that we're headlining this year, and we're going to have so much fun. Because last year I think we had 20 minutes on the stage, so this year we're going to have an hour or something like that. So we're just going to have so much fun.
Bringing
and,
a band and the set and stuff, hopefully. So yeah. And
It's
last year
gonna be
I
amazing.
remember our interview when we was all in white. Do you remember we were all in white? It was a very good interview. I liked that interview.
Love playing to Welsh fans, but it's just up the road from Bristol, where I'm from. So like, yeah, it's like being back home, but not quite. Yeah, it's amazing. The Welsh fans are crazy. We always find that Wales and Scotland and Ireland, like going outside of the UK, when we went to Portugal, all the fans there are absolutely nuts because they don't get to see you often, and they're really loud and cool. So.
So it'll be great to be back in Wales and great to having an hour. Have the stage, have the band. It's going to be an exciting one.
it's gonna be amazing. Just hopefully, cross fingers, it's gonna be good weather, and we're just gonna have lots of fun. So yeah, hello Wales, and we'll see you soon.
Hey South Wales, we're Union J, and we're coming back.